what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grow. My name is Krisha, and this is today's Bitcoin analysis video. I want to wish each and every one of you a very, very happy Monday. I got Sean with me today. Sean, say hello to everybody.
Good morning, and a happy, lazy Monday to all of you.
Friday was lazy, Saturday was lazy, Sunday was lazy, Monday's also lazy.
As long as Bitcoin's being lazy, we all can be lazy.
Now, Sean, Bitcoin,
It's not done anything. It's still there. Guys, just go watch the previous video. Same analysis. Nothing changed. Well, there's something that has changed. Okay, wait. Let's do a summary, quick. Summary is Krisha is short-term bullish. Sean is short-term bearish. We are sitting on support though, but we had a difference of opinion on the weekend. Krisha is looking for bounce. By the way, where's that bounce, Krisha? Where's that bounce? In fact, we did get a new bearish signature trigger. I wouldn't say bearish, but the weekly, guys, is no longer bullish on the weekly trend on the dashboard. Right?
Yeah.
It's not bearish, right? But it is neutral. There's good news here, but we're not going to get into that too much. I do want to urge caution until we start seeing the signatures to get bullish, right? I'm not talking about Krisha's bullish signatures because she has a gut instinct we're going to bounce. Guys, trading doesn't work that way, right? I think I proved a point this weekend, literally by doing nothing and letting things unfold.
Okay, fair enough. I'm just getting freaking slammed here. But no, so the thing is that my thesis was primarily hinged on the fact that NASDAQ had a good close, SPY had a good close. Those markets have yet to open, about to open soon actually. So we'll see how the market sort of reacts to that. Now, yeah, Bitcoin is doing nothing, but hey, we're still holding support. Albeit that said, I think this is what's happened on the dashboard here. So for those of you who do not know what Sean is really talking about, if you look at the trends, this weekly trend right here was actually bullish. For the longest time, it was bullish.
For like 60 days.
Yeah,
no, wait, longer probably. The trend gave us a long signal and it gave us a huge move and it stayed long for a very long time.
Yeah.
Okay, now it switched neutral. That's not necessarily a bad thing because the trend might be resetting on the weekly time frame. What we don't want though is for this to flip short. Okay.
Yeah.
That would be a confirmation for probably lower, much lower. I'm talking about sub 20K.
Oh, wait, what?
Yeah.
Sub 20K?
Yeah.
Damn. Okay. So right now, guys, what's to note here on the dashboard is that we have bearish trends across the board. Okay. Always, let's say, lean to the side of the trend if you're looking to take those trades. However, always have your invalidations at play. The weekly right now has flipped neutral, and that neutral signal came in 12 hours ago. Alrighty, now we're seeing volatility also getting sort of scrunched up there, and we have one flag on the daily time frame, which is potential bullish divergence. Now, of course, we'll be going over these things in a bit, but just a quick sort of... So, if we are looking at the grand scheme, like the macro picture, but because right now the playing field, Sean, I feel like the primary picture is happening on the weekly time frame, just given how much volatility has died down.
Yeah.
Right? So I think we can all sort of agree with that. There's not a lot happening on the lower time frames. So if I take you guys back on over to, the chart right here, we're looking at a couple of things. Now, this is the weekly time frame. Of course, we opened up a brand new weekly candle. Now, what was it that we were looking for? We were looking for price to basically hold the FVG as support. But in addition to that, we were also looking at one more level, Sean. And that was the 200 simple moving average on the weekly time
That's
frame.
the big one. That's what makes me go like, you know what, Sean? Don't get bearish here where you put on short positions, but just wait for confirmation. And you know what? Would you click right there, Krisha? I think that's... this picture right here, all of you watching at home, this is all you need for your analysis at the moment, okay? You click that SMA combo on the right hand side of the screen there, the 10 SMA, 200 SMA, and you click this bullish FVG. That's it, okay? All you need to do is wait for Bitcoin to start closing weekly candles above that white moving average right over there. Okay,
Yeah.
That's going to line up with all the confirmation signals that we talked about on the lower time frames from the previous week, right? That's going to be your daily bullish TK that is reclaimed. It's going to be your 12-hour signals reclaimed, and potentially even the 12-hour flipping, the cloud green back again. All of that's going to happen, right? Because we're talking about the weekly candle here, right? And there are multiple daily candles in a week. There are definitely multiple 12-hour candles in a week, right? So just wait for that, guys. Be patient, be mango, be stress-free, right? The 200 moving average is holding price up over here. We have the bullish FVG holding price up. It's been so perfect for the last 3 weeks, and you just gotta be patient. If we lose that though, well, look towards the bottom FVG right over there. What's that level at, Krisha? I think 22k.
Yeah, around 22.6k is the bottom FVG. So we're still very much on support. I think that's the key sort of aspect of this analysis today. We're still very much on support. As far as further downside is concerned, guys, don't jump the gun. We will get confirmation on that once we break that 200 simple moving average. Wait on the break if you guys are looking to take shorts. Okay, if you're looking to open up your short positions, wait on that break, wait on that confirmation. Because if there's one thing that people are missing out, now I'll just go to the 2-day time frame just to draw this pattern out. What we could see here, if price actually ends up bouncing on that weekly FVG, what we could see here is essentially this falling channel, right? That could actually play out to the upside. Falling channel, guys, on a technical standpoint is a bullish pattern. Once we break, of course, that pattern gets triggered. Okay, and also notice what the upper threshold of the pattern is really lining up with, the 10 simple moving average. Like, we're all there, and I think taking out that 10 is what's going to trigger, Sean, that bullish divergence play that we saw on on the daily time frame, right? Just to show you guys here, that's a bullish divergence flag right here.
And look at the volatility, guys. It's so compressed, and volatility compression leads to volatility expansion. Okay. Now, what we don't want, of course, is that volatility expansion to go in the direction of the trend this time. The trend at the current juncture is short, right? But that bullish divergence, that ray of hope, the light at the end of the tunnel, weekly is neutral, 4-day is neutral. If we see volatility compression lead to volatility expansion in the direction of the trend, that 4-day and the weekly is going to get attacked. And we don't want that attack to lead to the trend flipping short, right? But that bullish divergence may be what is needed to cause that falling channel that Krisha marked out. Krisha, you can switch it back to the falling channel. That bullish divergence may be just what Bitcoin needs to flip all of those lower and mid time frames into a long trend. And then we suddenly have volatility compression leading to expansion towards the bullish direction, right? That's what everyone wants. Everyone wants to be bullish, but we're going to guard against the bearish scenario because the warning signs are here, guys. Warning signs are here for the next week or so, maybe more.
So what I'm going to give you guys right now is basically criteria to look out for, okay? For, upside continuation as well as a breakdown to the downside. I know that many of you guys are looking at that breakdown. You're just wondering when is it going to come to you. So I'm going to flesh out a bit more because it was actually Julian in the Mango Grove who brought up a very, very cool pattern that I completely missed on the lower time frames. So as far as the bullish divergence is concerned, I'm just going to say this. Just watch out for how price reacts on that 10 simple moving average on the 2-day time frame, okay? If we start taking that out to the upside, now that comes in at around 27.4K for those of you who want to take note of it. If you guys want to, check it out on the dashboard. You'll find it on app.mangoresearch.co. Okay, you got the 2-day time frame available to you for free. It's not available usually on the free TradingView account. So if you guys just want to check out the data, just get onto the dashboard and you'll get it for free, okay? But yeah, so that's the level. 27.4K for me to anticipate continuation to the upside. As far as a breakdown now to the downside is concerned, well, for that I'm going to take you on over to, the TradingView chart, specifically on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, I was looking at this. I'm like, what's going on here? And this is where I sort of spotted, the pattern that Julian was talking about, which is actually a descending triangle formation, right? You can see it right here, and I can just mark it out right here with a line. Okay, that is the descending triangle formation. We start taking this out to the downside. I'll be looking for continuation to the downside. All right, but this is the one that I'm looking at so far. It appears that, and yeah, see, look at that, the 12-hour time frame, you can spot it very, very well. The descending triangle, the measured move, guys, where will this take us down to? Sean, I think this lines up with your target to the downside. You're looking at 24K, right? Okay, this is 25.6K, but that is going to be the measured move of the descending triangle formation. I think that's going to cause a cascade of effects to the downside, taking us all the way back down to $24,000. This level comes in at around, what is this? 26.5K on the break.
Descending triangle is the basis for the bigger bear flag too, right?
Yeah.
That we talked about in the previous video. So that may actually line up, that target may line up with the deeper move I'm looking for, 23K possibly.
So yeah, that's what you can watch out for, guys. This is your criteria for the breakdown And yeah, this is all we have for you for this Monday update. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the likes, and if you haven't already subscribed, well, smash that subscribe button to keep up with the latest mango juice, and we will see you in the next update. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.
Ciao.